What's up guys, welcome back to another one of our unboxing videos. Now, we have another one of our Vicrez V3R style rear diffusers, and this is vz102329 if you want to check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, this is one of our Tesla Model 3 rear diffusers fitting 2016 to 2021 models. Now let's go ahead and get this open so we can show you what it looks like. Now here you guys can see, it's in our gloss black look. And these are really glossy. I love the way they shine. And of course, on the bottom here, you can see your install tabs so that you can bolt them in place. And since this is for a Tesla, it is a little bit different for install. This top edge does not have plastic tabs to snap it in place. The install on a Tesla is a little bit different. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos just like this one, or more diffusers and other products like this, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure to hit that like button as well as that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.